Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. I have 10 plus years of experience in HR and I help people improve their communication skills and soft skills like English speaking, like writing emails, professional English, etc., especially to corporates and students. And I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently and to improve your communication skills as well. So guys, today I'm going to talk about some of the struggles which an English learner faces in the entire journey. Okay, there are some areas which are really difficult to handle and we find it very difficult to learn those things. So I'm going to talk about those areas in which we struggle a lot to learn or to overcome that. And these are very basic to English learning. Every person has to struggle with these things at some point of time in their entire journey. I have also struggled. So today I'm going to talk about the struggle and how I overcame it or how to overcome that struggle. What are the resources which will help you to overcome with that struggle and to move ahead with your fluency journey. But before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, guys, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and don't forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on my channel. First thing here I'm going to talk about is grammar. Yes, when we decide to learn the language, we are really scared of the grammar part. We start thinking about how we are going to learn grammar, or while learning grammar, we find it very difficult to learn it and to keep everything in mind because there are lots of rules, there are lots of combinations, there are lots of rules which we need to take care of while writing or while speaking in English, right? So that is why we are very scared of this grammar part, and this is the first thing we struggle with, right? How to improve on our grammar, how to correct our English, how to excel or how to learn grammar so that we don't struggle with our English, right? Whether it is writing in English or speaking in English. Well, this is a real struggle. Trust me, I have also struggled with grammar, but I would only tell you, you have to focus on the very basics of grammar, the sentence construction. So what I did was I started reading this grammar book or started studying from this grammar book which was written by Renan Martin. This is very helpful. I mean, this book is quite helpful. It has helped me to understand the grammar. But guys, I will only recommend you to start with the basics. What are the basics you should know to speak good English or correct English or to write correct English is start with tenses, parts of speech. These are the two basic things which you need to learn. Get hold of parts of speech, all the parts of speech, understand it completely, whichever book you are comfortable reading or understanding or learning from, or whichever videos or apps or AI tools you are comfortable learning this, use it, utilize it, and learn parts of speech very well and the tenses. If you learn these parts of speech and tenses, you will at least 80% you will get hold of the English language for sure. You will be able to make sentences, you will be able to write in English properly. One or two mistakes here and there is fine, but the basics of English grammar is parts of speech and tenses. If you learn these two things, it will be very helpful for you in speaking proper English or correct English and writing correct English. And of course, there are other things as well which later you can start studying if you like so, or if you wish to learn more. Okay, but start with these. So these two things are the basics and start working on it from now, from today, right away. Start working on parts of speech and tenses. These are two very important parts of grammar. So I've given you a book also by Renan Martin, which is a grammar book by Renan Martin, which you can use. There are other books also which you can refer to, or simply you can refer to any grammar apps, or you can take the help of ChatGPT or any other AI tool where they can help you out with the grammar portion. Okay, So start working on it. So some of the websites or apps which will help you in learning grammar is Grammarly, Preply, British Council. So these are some of the websites and apps which you can install and you can start learning from them. British Council is one of the best. So you can start learning grammar from there. It is really going to help you with improving your grammar and it will simplify things for you so that you learn easily. Okay, so you have to take care of your grammar. This is the first struggle which all English learners face. Second is how to make sentences in English. Okay, so we struggle with this basic concept also, how to make sentences in English. We start thinking a lot. If we have to say I want to eat something or I am hungry, we just start thinking how we can say this. So there are lots of ways you can express this thing, right? You can say this. You can say I'm hungry, I want to eat something, I feel like eating something, I want food, I need to eat something because I'm so hungry. So you can express the same thing in different ways. I gave 5 sentences to express the same thing, right? I used 5 sentences to express the same feeling. You can express it in more different ways as well, right? So we struggle with basic English, constructing basic English sentences. What you can do here is whatever you are feeling, you can just try to express it in different ways. This is the best exercise, guys. As for example, as I told you, the first example I gave, I am feeling hungry or I am hungry or I want to eat something. In how many ways you can say this? Same way, if you're going somewhere or if you want to do something like I want to play cricket. Okay, now start using your imagination or start using your brains to start making different sentences around it. Build different sentences around it. I want to play cricket. I want to play cricket today. I am going to play cricket with my friends. I have a cricket match today. We are going to play cricket at the playground. Right? The different ways to express the same thing. Just something here and there you can just add and remove. Right? You can add friends, you can add, your match today, or you can add anything and you can remove anything. So you are free to do anything. Free to make sentences. So this is the best exercise, guys, to start making sentences. Take any word, anything what you feel right now or whatever you are feeling, and you start describing it in different ways. See what all sentences you can come up with. It should be very simple. Start with very simple, very basic sentences. I want to play cricket. I want to play cricket today. I want to play cricket with my friends. I want to play cricket at the playground. As simple as that. So this is a wonderful exercise which will help you in making sentences. You can start taking help of ChatGPT or Pi or Copilot or Meta AI to correct your sentences. Now you have everything, guys. Everything is there on your fingertips. You have AI tools in your mobile, on WhatsApp, on WhatsApp, in your Play Store. So you can use you can use Meta AI on WhatsApp to correct your sentences. You can use Copilot, which is by Microsoft. So you can start using all these things, and there are lots more. ChatGPT is there. You can download that and you can start correcting your sentences. See whether your sentences are correct or not, right? Whether you are making right sentences or not. So you can just try to get help from these apps and AI tools as well to help you improve every day. So this is another. The third very genuine struggle is we feel stuck. We see that there is no progress. We are stuck in one place. Nothing is helping us. We are not making any progress. Our English is not improving. So this is also another thing which we face or we struggle with at different point of time. Many times we start thinking that our grammar is not improving, our English speaking is not improving, our sentence construction is not improving, nothing is improving, we are not making any progress, irrespective of the fact that we are putting in a lot of time and energy and efforts, but it is not working out. So this is another struggle which we face during our English fluency journey. This is very real, guys, but we should be positive. We should start taking things positively. If we at certain point of time we feel stuck and we see that there's no progress, we are not making any improvement, What should we do? The first thing we should start doing is checking our study method. We should start introspecting what method we are using and if it is helping us or not. If that method is not helping us, there are lots more. Go watch any video. See what else you can do for that thing, for vocabulary, for pronunciation, for sentence construction, for grammar. Get help online from YouTube. There are lots of resources, there are lots of channels which help you with all these things, right? So you can check out my videos. I have given you lot many tips, tricks and techniques of getting started with simple sentences or grammar or anything else, right? Vocabulary, how to work on vocabulary. So you can start changing your method, start changing your routine, start coming up with a study plan which is more interesting, which is more attractive, right? Which holds you for a longer duration. So try different methods, try different things till the time you get to know what is working for you. Okay, probably try a method or try a study plan for a month and see if it is helping you. If that is not helping you, come up with another plan, change the whole thing, change your techniques, change your plan and see if that helps you. Okay, so there are lot many ways you can learn this language, learn English, right? So you can keep on trying. So if you feel stuck somewhere, don't be negative. Start introspecting. Start changing your plans. Start changing the method you are using. Start changing the technique which you are using. There are lot many techniques, tips and tricks available on the internet which you can use. See what you find interesting. See what can help you, what you feel can help you, and start practicing that. Okay, so never stop, keep going. That is the only mantra which you have to keep in your mind. Okay, another struggle is the learning journey becomes very boring at times. It becomes very monotonous and very boring. I agree to it, and it does become boring. And that is why nowadays we are very fortunate enough that we are in an era of technology, which really helps us to break this monotony. Or if it gets boring, start watching a video, right? If you're using flashcards for vocabulary, start looking up for apps which will help you with videos on vocabulary, or audio app which will help you in learning new vocabulary. There are lots of video apps and audio apps as well which you can start using, right? While you're walking, while you're doing something, you can just put on your headphone and you can start listening to those apps which will help you in learning new vocabulary, learning pronunciation or any grammar rules or anything else. So start changing the method. You have different apps, you have different things available online in your phone which will help you to break that monotony or to get rid of the boring schedule or get rid of the boredom. Okay, so you can do a variety of things. You just don't have to read things, right? You don't have to read, you don't have to study, you don't have to memorize it. That is the best part nowadays. You don't have to memorize anything, you don't have to read and learn. Okay, what you can do, you can start watching things, you can start listening to stuffs in English, you can start learning on the go. There are lots of things which you can do nowadays. Technology has helped us to make things simpler, easier and accessible to us. Why can't we use technology to help us? Why can't we take advantage of that? Right? So we should start getting familiar with these apps and AI tools so that it can help us to improve our English or make our English fluency journey interesting and entertaining. Right? So guys, I hope you will be able to relate to this session and I will try using these solutions to overcome these struggles. And stay connected, stay tuned and watch my entire video. And that's a wrap for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.